How does the cleanout process with MiraLAX work?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore how the cleanout process with MiraLAX works. MiraLAX, also known as polyethylene glycol 3350, is an over-the-counter laxative used to treat occasional constipation.
What is MiraLAX?
MiraLAX is a type of osmotic laxative. This means it works by pulling water into your intestines, which helps to soften your stools and increase the frequency of your bowel movements. As a result, MiraLAX can be a useful tool for cleaning out the digestive tract.
How does MiraLAX work?
MiraLAX works by retaining water in the stool, which helps to soften it, making it easier to pass. It achieves this by increasing the amount of water in your intestines. When taken for a cleanout or a colonoscopy prep, larger doses of MiraLAX may be used to fully evacuate the colon.
What's the process for using MiraLAX?
When you're using MiraLAX for a cleanout, you'll generally need to follow a specific regimen. Here's a typical process. 1. Preparation. Your doctor will provide specific instructions, but generally, you will need to modify your diet in the days leading up to the cleanout. You may be asked to follow a low-fiber diet or a clear liquid diet. 2. Dosing. The dosage will depend on your doctor's instructions, but it will usually be a larger quantity than the standard dose for treating occasional constipation. It's typically mixed with a large amount of clear liquid. 3. Timing. The cleanout process takes time. You should be near a restroom as the MiraLAX will start to take effect, usually within a few hours. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized instructions and never undertake a cleanout process without medical advice. In summary, MiraLAX is an over-the-counter osmotic laxative used in the cleanout process. It works by pulling water into your intestines, helping to soften stools and facilitate bowel movements. When used for a cleanout, a higher dose is generally used, and you must follow specific diet and timing instructions. Always remember to use MiraLAX as instructed by a healthcare provider. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.